course label text appears at the top of the course module list on the website when the course is published. It is approximately 3 lines of text, or about 30 words, providing a brief outline of the subject matter in the course. To write the course label text, click on the Edit Label button on the Course Label section in the Module Tree Manager. This brings up the Label Title text field, which allows a maximum of 300 characters, including spaces. The best way to write the course label text is to copy the course summary text and edit it down to approximately 300 characters, including spaces. Once you have edited the text, paste it into the Label Title field. Check the text to make sure there is no extra space between words. This also gives you the chance to read the text again and make any final changes that may be necessary. Once you're happy with the course label text, save it by clicking Done at the bottom right-hand side of the page. You will then be brought back to the Module Tree Manager. This concludes the video tutorial on writing course label text in the Alison Publisher tool.